Good morning, my dear friend. I am happy to share our new research book known as 571 FAQs on Enforcement Directorate functioning in India. This book is first time published globally based on 100% practical guidance compiled by us. This research book is useful for resident in India and also resident outside India when they have received Enforcement Director's show-cause notice under PMLA 2002. 90% provisions are globally similar with PMLA 2002 in India. What Enforcement Directorate is creating horror in mind of recipient of Enforcement Director's show-cause notice because onus of proof against ED show-cause notice is lie on recipient. However, don't worry about ED show-cause notice if you have received. We are ready to help you against ED show-cause notice. We are regularly advising our clients from several years for handling with several enforcement agencies and government departments working in India, like Enforcement Directorate, commonly known as ED, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, commonly known as DRI, Central Bureau of Investigation, commonly known as CBI, National Investigation Agency, commonly known as NIA, Serious Fraud Investigation Office, commonly known as SFIO, Financial Intelligence Unit India, commonly known as FIU Ind, Central Vigilance Commission, commonly known as CBC, Narcotic Control Bureau, commonly known as NCB, Research and Analysis Wing, commonly known as RAW, Economic Offence Wing, commonly known as EOW, Intelligence Bureau, commonly known as IB, Director General of Income Tax Investigation, commonly known as DGITI, Director General of GST Intelligence, commonly known as DGGI, National Company Law Tribunal, commonly known as NCLT, Security Exchange Board of India, commonly known as SEBI. Thank you.